Hello everyone, welcome to the series of patterns. And now in the pattern series, so in this pattern, if you can see, we have 5 columns and we have 9 rows, okay? And what we are supposed to display is only these asterisks, that's it. We are neither going to display the area before this and up in between the triangle. So how we are going to calculate these values? Firstly, we should assure that the value of I is equal to what? Is equal to 0, and the value of j should also be equal to 0 for now, right? Now what we are going to do is we have to print this series. That is, first of all, I will take it as this line we have to print. So for the equation which we have to create, j should be equal to what? As we know, if I am writing say j is less than, then it means the area will be also be covered. But because we are not supposed to cover up the area, we just have to print this single line. So what is this single line? This is j is equal to 4, I can say. Let me just check it out in the code as well. So over here, I will be first taking the first very loop, that is for the I loop I will be taking. So I've taken for I is equal to 0 and I should be less than 9. Okay. And after that, I will be taking the j loop as well. The j loop also starts from 0 and it is less than, we can say it is less than 5 for now. The equation which we have to make, whatsoever equation it will be, I will be writing it as I have to print what? I have to print an asterisk, but I have to print it without the ln statement, right? Now I will be again writing up it like this, right? Now what will I do? I will write as if j is equal to 4, I am supposed to write. Let me just check. See if you can see the line, the very first line is updated. Now coming to this line, well, if you can notice, this whole of this triangle has been divided into 2 parts, right? This and this part. So if I will consider this very first equation, what I can say that this line to get, I can write this is a forward direction line, right? Therefore, I can say it as j plus I, right? J, if I'm considering this as j and this I'm considering as I. So what will be j plus I is equal to 4, right? J plus I is equal to 4. So I will not be writing less than or equal to. Please have a look now. J plus I equal to 4. Let me just check it if it is working the equation correctly. Yes, absolutely correct it is. So this is our first line. Now this valley line we have to print. Similarly, this is a backward direction, right? So how am I going to calculate it? I will say it as j minus I. So if it is j minus I, it will be equal to 1 minus 5 is minus 4, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Therefore, it will be equal to j minus I equal to minus 4. Let me just execute it. Correct. Now there we have calculated, we are given 3 equations. So there is not a single point where they are which will be acting as the common point. There is no point of commonality, right? So I will be writing it as if j is equal to 4 or j is equal to 4 or j plus I is equal to 4 or j minus I is equal to minus 4. I hope this will work. Correct. Absolutely correct. So this is how we will go with this pattern. Hope you guys understand it. Thank you very much.